Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much money you need in a Capital One account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good topic to cover in a video. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of having a savings account. A savings account is a great way to save money for emergencies, for future goals, or just for peace of mind. It's also a good way to earn interest on your money. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. How much money do you need in a Capital One account? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and goals. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Capital One's minimum balance requirements. Capital One has different minimum balance requirements for its various accounts. For example, the minimum balance for a Capital One 360 checking account is $100. Your monthly expenses. You'll need to make sure that you have enough money in your account to cover your monthly expenses. This includes things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Your emergency fund. It's a good idea to have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up in your emergency fund. This will help you cover unexpected expenses, such as a job loss or a medical emergency. Your future goals. If you have any specific financial goals, such as buying a house or saving for retirement, you'll need to factor that into your savings plan. Capital One accounts. Here are some of the different Capital One accounts that you can choose from. Capital One 360 Checking. This is a basic checking account with no monthly fees. The minimum balance is $100. Capital One 360 Savings. This is a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees. The minimum balance is $100. Capital One 360 Performance Savings. This is a high-yield savings account with a minimum balance of $5,000. Capital One 360 Money Market Account. This is a high-yield savings account with a minimum balance of $1,000. Capital One 360 CD. This is a certificate of deposit, CD, with a minimum balance of $500. How to choose the right account. When choosing a Capital One account, it's important to consider your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a basic checking account, the Capital One 360 checking account is a good option. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account, the Capital One 360 savings account is a good option. If you have a larger amount of money to save, the Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account or the Capital One 360 Money Market Account may be a better option. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for saving money in your Capital One account. Set up automatic transfers. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Take advantage of special offers. Capital One often offers special promotions, such as interest rate boosts or cash bonuses. Be sure to take advantage of these offers when you can. Use online banking. Capital One offers online banking, which makes it easy to track your account balance and make transactions. Set goals. Setting specific goals for your savings can help you stay motivated. For example, you could set a goal to save $1,000 for a down payment on a house. I hope this information has been helpful. Remember, the amount of money you need in your Capital One account depends on your individual needs and goals. Be sure to do your research and choose the right account for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I encourage you to open a Capital One account today and start saving money for your future.